Here's 5 trending dropshipping products that you can do for the month of June and test out. Whether it be a single product store or maybe for a niche related store, it doesn't really matter, but this will give you an idea of the products that you need to start dropshipping and making money today. So I'm not going to waste your time. Without further ado, let's get into it. Somebody told me that you're interested in dropshipping Shopify products. Is that the case? How did I realise that? Am I psychic? No, it's because obviously you're going to click on the video if you're not going to click on this video if you don't know anything about getting products and selling them all and everything like that. So, obviously I'm a mind reader. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to waste your time today with this first product right here. And you're probably thinking like, what is this? What is this? Just solar panels? No, it's not just solar panels. This product is perfect for the people in the Northern Hemisphere because there's just a few billion people in the Northern Hemisphere and there's still travel restrictions. That means there's going to be people that are going camping or they're going to go on some random holiday within their own country that sometimes doesn't have power. So what do people have to do? They have to take power banks, and they take loads of power banks because we, as a generation in 2021, are addicted to this thing, smartphones. So this product is brilliant. Now, if you get your ads right, as long as your ad's not like a grainy picture like this one, then you might be able to make some money when you actually target this to people who love and enjoy camping using Facebook ads and everything else as well. Now, to make sure your ads are 100% okay, to make sure they're the best quality and you get the most sales in than ever before, and you're probably thinking like, ads, they can be a bit, video ads, they can take sometimes a long time to do, they're a bit annoying, I can't get them right 100% of the time. But what if we told you that we can do it for you? We can create some brilliant advertisements for you. Different variants, a lot of different variants for a really reasonable price, which will save a ton of time for you and get you focusing on what is needed most for dropshipping products or e-commerce in general, which is the advertisement, the marketing, the actually setting up a store properly without having to worry about the design of a silly video ad. That is very interesting. And if someone come up to me with that proposal, I'd be like, yeah, go ahead and shake the hand and go, okay then, you save my time. Because when it comes to being in a business, especially if you're just starting this out, this is something that you need to know. When it comes to actually starting a business and running some sort of business, you can't do everything yourself. And if you can just pay someone for a really great price to do this for you, to save your time, then and outsource this work to also make it a lot more valuable for you as well, then I really recommend doing it. Like, I highly recommend doing it because it's impossible to do it all yourself. That sounds interesting to you? If that sounds interesting, I'm not going to waste most of your time, but you guys need this. You guys need some help. Click the link in the description. You'll see it. Get your video ad here. Just click it and, get your video ads. So, obviously, this product is amazing because all you got to do is it comes up foldable like this. It's very foldable. You just it's got a little keychain thing that you can attach to your keys, your belt, your bag if you're a really professional camper, or if you're on hikes and everything else like that. And this, all you gotta do is unfold it like it's a wallet. My wallet's not on me, I was about to unfold it, and so you can have it, unfold it like a wallet, just unfold it across the grass, and it will completely charge your phone. It's a 10-watt solar cell charger. Wow. And literally, it just comes like this, like a little wallet for your phone. It doesn't take up too much time. You can even put it on the back of your backpack, which is just amazing. When I seen this, I was like, oh, take my money. Like, genuinely ordering one, because it's actually really amazing. So obviously, you can see there's a lot of, for the marketing section of it, there's a lot of really great pictures, for you to be able to use. Obviously, you can order it for a really reasonable price, take your own pictures as well. But this is brilliant for a start off. Like, this picture here, like, take out that text, that picture's golden. It's also got a little compass on it. I don't know if that comes with it. I don't think it does, but you know what I mean. It's just amazing. If you told Bear Grylls, if Bear Grylls was addicted to his smartphone, then if you told Bear Grylls about this product, I'm sure he'd buy about 5, maybe 10. Do you know what I mean? Like, Bear Grylls would definitely take this. If I would take it, then definitely. One thing that's not for sure, I've been trying to find this, is how long it actually takes to charge your phone. So, you know, maybe try and find out that information, because you can say like, oh, this will charge your phone in X amount of minutes, X amount of hours, then that'll also encourage people to go, wow, that's brilliant, that's amazing. So maybe order the product for yourself, see how long it takes, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. If you don't know what Bob's your uncle means, it's basically a sort of UK saying spot on. That is perfect. You're basically saying it's a perfect product, right? So, well, that's not the next one. Let's get on to this one, the next one. Okay, so this one is a home sensor. And by the way, if you stay to the end of the video, because you got this far, so thank you. If you stay to the end of the video, we'll show you an amazing high ticket product, which will guarantee you, bang, every time a sale comes in, boom, tons of cash. So, you know, high ticket products are really amazing to do, to be able to properly maximize your profits, I meant to say. So obviously stay to the end for that one. So this home sensor, it is brilliant for just minding everything, just minding your whole entire house, because this will basically see if a pet's walking past or a dog's walking past, and what we'll do, instead of you having to turn on a light switch, which, you know, is sometimes a bit too much for you to go ding and just turn on a light switch. What's brilliant about this is, especially for your pets, you know, if you've got to leave your pets home alone, then all you got to do is walk past and it'll turn a light on. This is perfect as well for a security light outside. So if you've got some sort of light outside, obviously you wouldn't use this sort of lighting and stuff like that, but, you know, some brilliant images. If you've got some sort of light outside, then all you got to do is let people walk past it and it'll turn this light on. And this is brilliant for just, you know, taking care of everything. It's got 1 year of your battery life. It's brilliant just for your home safety, home security. But not only is it brilliant for your home security, it's also brilliant just as if you're lazy. If you if you just want to walk into a room and go and turn a light on, then you can. This definitely could be the future of turning on lights, and it's amazing. It's just a little smart light. And there's so many different, I'm not trying to sell you this product, I'm just showing you the basic features of why this is popular. And not only that, it's a very trending product. Now, this is something that you could take really far. Like, honestly, you could really take far, but like, take this far is what I meant to say. You can take this product really far because you focus all your advertising around it properly, maybe create some videos on it, really do a good campaign on it, then this can be amazing. Now, obviously, this picture isn't the best. You want to get actual pictures of the product being used, or videos of someone walking past and it turning on the light. I think this is an amazing product, and you can take this really far. You can also market it as like the future of turning on lights. Do you know what I mean? But it's also really smart. Do you know what I mean? It's just a nice, smart thing. And yeah, I really like it. So definitely go get that product. Now on to the next one. This product is probably one of my favourites, other than the high ticket product at the end. So the high ticket product at the end is obviously my favourite, but this one is amazing. So let's just show you a little video. Wow, look at that. It's a magnetic little light. So you can have little magnets put onto little different parts of, you know, maybe your desk. If you've got a little shelf in your desk, above your desk, maybe you've got a little shelf in your desk, maybe you've got just different little magnets across the room. You can put different magnets in different places, and then you can just come up to it with this light, literally put it on, or you can take the light off and just start using it as a little night light as well. And you can put it everywhere. Look at the video. Brilliant product. And these sort of products that are very like have a nice design, very future proof sort of thing, with a really great price point, are the type of products that you can definitely market it as the future. Do you know what I mean? You can sort of see like the makeup sort of thing, you can see it as an aisle, especially for home design, home decoration. People spend a fortune on home decoration, and we're seeing that through the coronavirus times, where people come through and literally just spend tons, tons of money on the house and designing the house because he had nothing better to do. So, so literally, this can be used for a lot of different things. You can market this to uni students, to people who work at home, people who remote work. You can do it as a sort of nightlight. You've got 24 hours battery life, which is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And you can see there's two different variants. So you've got a little EU charger or no charger at all with the USB cable, so you can charge it with USB, or you have this sort of charger thing here. So yeah, it's just one of these brilliant products that I think is one, easy to install, and two, just makes it just amazing just to go on your night. It just goes to, if right, let me get my words out properly, because obviously I was struggling to get my words out then, but when I'm working at night, this is just perfect for me, because especially if I want to work from different areas, if I want to go like, all right, I'm just going to work on my desk for a bit, go work on my bed for a bit, just do different things like that. It's perfect, and you can get multiple as well. You know what I mean? You can maybe market this to it so multiple people buy it, or people will buy multiple as well. You can do the quantity things, or the quantity marketing strategy, where you put a product there and say that you can buy 5 for so many % off. Do you know what I mean? Because this is the type of product that people want to buy, and you can make profit from this. So yeah, make sure you go check that out. And let's get on to the next one. Okay, so now this is the 4th product. Right now, you may be thinking like $139. Oh no! But you can probably find different products that are very much like this. And again, the sort of whole theme around these products as well is just to sort of show you that to market the future. If you want to market like electronics that are the future, that are easier, time saving, and that can also just like out with the old sort of thing, in with the new, then this is the product, because this is a laser tape measure. Obviously it has a tape measure as well, so it's got a little tape measure there as well, and tape measures are needed for anything to do with your home. Pretty much every single house has one. Like if I go on the toolbox, there's a tape measure there. Every single house sort of has one. So this is a great and perfect product to market to pretty much everyone, and that's what I'm trying to do with these ones. There's some that you can't really market to everyone, but this can be used in a bunch of different ways. Now, this product, basically, you can sort of look on the back, you can measure it, and it will tell you pretty much exactly how far away something is with just the power of a razor. So instead of having to go, hey, can you just hold this tape measure there, while you try and measure like a new cabinet or a wall or anything else like that to see how big it is, then no need to do that anymore. Just go, oh, yeah, just like that, there we go. And then you get the whole entire thing, and it just makes life a lot more easier. You can market it like that. You can look at all the brilliant things here, and the products, like the product photos. I was like, oof, this is what got me for the product. I was like, oh, these product photos are nice. They're nice and clean. They're very, maybe this one's a bit, but the product photos in general are nice and clean. You've got an actual straight tape measure that goes up to 1.8 meters. You get a lot of key benefits of it, and it just looks really clean. It looks like Apple's made looks like Apple or someone has made a tape measure. Do you know what I mean? And this is perfect for, obviously you wouldn't use this stock photo, but just perfect for a lot of different things. And I don't need to go and sell the product properly. You know why this product is really great, so go and check it out. It's on AliExpress right here. Just type in laser tape measure, 2-in-1 tape measure. Yep. So let's get on to the last product, the one that you've all been waiting for. I was about to do a drum roll, but there's no point. Here we go. This is exactly what we need, because this is a mini portable projector. Now, I have shown something like this before, like a projector for outside and everything else like this, but this one is a high ticket product, $318, and is completely portable. You can basically take it anywhere. You can take it outside. You can connect. All you gotta do is, I think it's by Bluetooth connection or something like that. Yeah, it's a wireless screen monitoring. You just gotta put it down. I have shown something very similar to this in the past, like a different projector, a portable projector. What's really great about this one is the design of it. It's the design, the price of it as well, and just the fact that you can just sort of use it with anything. You've got a little tripod. You put it on a tripod and you just put it anywhere. Like this, it's just the design of it that really makes this one a lot better than a very similar like portable projector that I've done in the past. But you've probably not even watched the past one from 5 Trillion Dropshipping Products in whenever. You can use it outdoors. This is brilliant. You can market it against like the camping sort of niche as well. You can market it to a bunch of different niches, and this is why I thought it's perfect. Now just look at the design. You've got a little nice leather thing on the top of it. It's like, oh, it's just so slick, so clean. So many great product photos. And just the fact that it's really small. You just got a HDMI. So you can obviously connect it to a PlayStation or something like that. Do you know what I mean? You got the audio section here. There's loads. There's a power button. I believe there's battery life. I can't remember the battery life to it, but that's basically how you charge it, through the USB or the power or this DC in thing here. It's just amazing. Like, it's just an amazing product. You can use it by just AirPlaying it. I think it's AirPlay, or you connect to Wi-Fi in it, or something like that. You're able to just stream whatever you have on your phone onto a projector. It can be perfect for if you're at a meeting. You've got a meeting up, and instead of people like connecting, HDMI to the laptop or the phone or anything else like that, you can just go, yep, sound. Here's what I meant to show you. Boom, and it shows it on the screen or the wall or whatever. It's perfect, a perfect product, and yeah, the price tag shows you everything. You put it to you could 2x this. You can make $300 from just one sale. You know what I mean? It's daft. It's also 3D as well, which is quite cool. So there's so many benefits for it. Just test it out, see how it goes, and let me know if you test this out right now. Let me know your results with these products as well, because I'd love to know your results and see how far you get, and also just to help other people who are starting out as well, just so to give them the confidence to try these things. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, just leave it in the comments below if you tried it or if you're gonna try it, and also leave a like if you've enjoyed the video and enjoyed the knowledge that's been spread within this video, and subscribe for more e-commerce related content, making money online content, anything to do with making money or making some sort of income, we've got you. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.